kids, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're gonna be making a Indian inspired curried mac and cheese dish that I think you guys are gonna really like. But before we get into the video, don't forget that I am here every single Wednesdays and Sundays, providing you with lots of delicious plant-based recipes just for you. Are you ready? Let's begin. So, super easy recipe. The first thing that you're gonna do is add the water. Did I mention that this is a one-pot vegan mac and cheese recipe? I don't think I did. All you need for this is one pot, and you're gonna add 3 cups of filtered water to your pot. And then we're gonna turn on the heat, baby. So the water is boiling and we're gonna be adding in 2 cups of macaroni. This is the kind of pasta that I'm using. It's just the small macaronis, and I'm actually using normal white macaroni for this recipe. You can use any kind of pasta that you like. So this is going in. And then you're gonna give it a stir, and you're gonna cook this for about 7 minutes. So just stir it up, and I'll be back in about 7 minutes, and then we're gonna start adding in all of our spices and good fats to our macaroni and cheese. So it's been almost 7 minutes, and now what we're gonna do is open up a can of coconut cream, actually coconut milk, that has been refrigerating for a few hours. We're gonna scoop out about a cup of coconut cream and place it into the macaroni, okay? So let's do that. So I'm just scooping out a cup of this delicious cream, and this is gonna make our macaroni creamy. Okay, we have to add fats to our macaroni. There we go. Set that aside. So give this a stir, and now we're going to add the cream and 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegan butter. Give that a mix. And now we're gonna go ahead and add in all of our delicious spices. So the spices we're using are obviously gonna be Indian spices like curry, so I'll show you guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and then 4 cloves of minced garlic. You want a lot of garlic in here. Now we're gonna be adding in 1 teaspoon of garam masala. So we're gonna add in all of our Indian spices now. 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. It's gonna go in. We're doing 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. We're doing 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're doing 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So this is gonna go in. And then we're gonna give this a stir. And just make sure that all of our spices, coconut cream, and butter are all nicely incorporated. So I'm gonna oh God, it smells so good. It smells delicious. So I'm gonna cook this for another 5 minutes, and then I'll be back to add in the cheese. The best part of this recipe is adding in all of the cheese into the macaroni and cheese. So I have some vegan cheese here. You can also obviously add in whatever kind of cheese that you like. I'm just gonna dump it in and give it a mix. Remember to, once you've added your spices, it's a good idea to put your heat on medium to low, because you don't want to burn your macaroni and cheese, as a lot of the water is going to be gone, like evaporated, okay? So make sure that you don't burn your macaroni. Guys, look at all, you have no idea how good it smells in here. Ooh, look at that cheesy goodness. That is just delicious. Kids will love this. If you guys can get your hands on a healthy pasta or a gluten-free pasta, or just something, like I recommend that if you're gonna get white macaroni, that you get organic, okay? Because you don't want to be feeding your kids glyphosate, which is a kind of pesticide that they spray on wheat, okay? So make sure that your pasta is organic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the rest of the cheese to make it extra cheesy. And then give it another stir. Make sure that all the cheese is melted. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. And we are going to very quickly add this to our favorite bowl of the day. Okay, so that's ready. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Guys, this macaroni and cheese is so gooey, and I can smell the garlic and all of the wonderful spices that we've put in. And I'm just super excited to try this out. So you can just see how creamy this is. Totally vegan. And now we're just gonna top it with some parsley because I love parsley on my macaroni and cheese. So just top it with a little bit of parsley. And you got dinner or lunch. So good, so good. So our macaroni and cheese is ready, and guys, I can't tell you how delicious my kitchen smells right now. I'm really looking forward to trying this for you, but first I just wanna say that make sure you add black pepper to your macaroni and cheese if you're adding turmeric powder, because you're not gonna be able to get the benefits of turmeric unless you add in some black pepper, okay? Because those spices work together so that you can get all the benefits from the turmeric. So the black pepper actually activates the turmeric. Also, like I said before, please get your hands on some organic macaroni, okay? Because we all know that non-organic wheat products are loaded with pesticides, and we don't want to be feeding our families pesticide-laden foods. So please go out and get yourself some organic macaroni. Now, without further ado, I am going to try the macaroni and cheese. So, Oh my God, guys.
Did somebody say there's food?
Seriously, it's so delicious.
What is this?
This is my grandma's.
What is this?
She's not with us anymore.
How do you eat with this?
But this was my grandma's spoon, and I'm in love with it. Actually, my grandma had the best kitchenware.
Let's talk about
Can I
the
show
food.
you guys something? Hold on a second. I know, it's really good, but I wanted to show you guys this antique spice grinder that was my grandma's. Basically, you put in cinnamon sticks or peppercorns in here, and you close it, and then you grind it, and then it comes out from here, and it's super cute, and I'm in love with it. I'm so in love with it. But anyway, back to the macaroni.
This is amazing.
I know. Guys, please try this macaroni and cheese. It's creamy.
It's like American style macaroni and cheese, but then there's the spices, and it reminds me of like Indian dishes.
Yeah, it's sort of like an Indian curry / macaroni and cheese.
So weird, like I've never seen Indian curry macaroni and cheese.
Yeah.
It's weird, but it's so nice.
Do you like it? I'm glad you like it.
I love it.
It's really delicious.
It's really good.
We always tell the truth.
Okay, let's finish the video.
Okay.
Because I'm hungry.
Okay. I truly hope that you guys make this recipe because it is divine. Once again, if you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe because I'm here every single Wednesdays and Sundays. And we are freeing all beings one recipe at a time together. I haven't said that in a really long time, but guys, we are freeing all beings one recipe at a time together. So I hope to see you guys next time for the next recipe.